Yeah, we are an exhibition company. Actually, it's a German-based company, but we are organizing ISK Sodex exhibition in Turkey. It will be this year. It will be in Istanbul on October. So we are also inviting all the customers to our exhibition. As you know, Egypt is the largest and strongest market in all of Africa. So it provides many opportunities, especially for the Turkish manufacturers. So we came here to promote our show, but it was really a very successful, well-organized exhibition. Okay, this is the first time, but we have a cooperation with these organizers. So we hope that our collaboration will continue in the upcoming years too. Yeah, as Hannover Messe Sodex Fuarcılık, Sodex Fairs, we are organizing ISK Sodex exhibition in Turkey. It will be this year over 50,000 square meters and over 800 exhibitors.